Hello, here Akhil Srivastava is teaching you Maths of class 10th. In the previous lectures I have finished my first chapter. Now I am going to start you chapter 2 Polynomial of NCERT 10th Maths. We know very well in class 9th that the familiar about this polynomial of one variable. So polynomial of variable x is known as px. How will you write the polynomial? Any expression you can write as a polynomial of one variable by alphabet p and in bracket x. Then highest power of x is called the degree of polynomial. In class 9th it is a very clearly given. So polynomial px, some example here I have written. You see 4x plus 2 whose degree is x has power 1. So what is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the variable? It is called variable. What is called this? Variable. Variable is the variable alphabet present in the expression. In this expression 4x plus 2, x is a variable whose degree is 1, that's why it is a degree 1. Another polynomial is given px whose degree is 2, x square plus 3x plus 1. So highest degree is 2, that is called it is a degree 2. Polynomial of degree 2. One polynomial, what variable you are using, that you write in the bracket py. So it is a variable of y used all 3y power 6, 7 by 2y power 3, y minus 1. Highest degree of y out of this 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there is degree 6. So it is a polynomial of degree 6. According to the degree of polynomial, some has a special name. What are these names? We can get when the degree of the polynomial is 1, it is called a linear polynomial. For example, x plus 1, 3y minus 4, z plus 4, 1 by 2, x plus 2, like this. Many examples you can get, but degree must be 1. In this degree is 2, then that polynomial is called the quadratic polynomial. In this quadratic polynomial, example x square plus 1, x square minus x plus 1, etc. When the degree is 3, that is called the cubic polynomial, x cube plus 3. One variable must have power 3, highest. Other is not necessary. Like this, I have written 2x cube minus 1. Next page you will see the standard form, then you will understand. This is the example given. Only the expression called a polynomial whose power of variable or in whole numbers are non-negative integers. Other are not called the polynomial. These are polynomial, but some expression you will see like this, but it will be not a polynomial. Why? This you see here. Here I have written some example. 1 upon x plus 1, 2 root x plus 3, 1 upon x square plus x plus 1. So these are, I am telling, not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Here I have given a definition of the polynomial. The power of the variable must be in a non-negative integer, otherwise whole number. So here when you write in the exponent power, like last previous chapter you know, x power minus 1. That's why it is not. Here root x means x power half. That's why it is not. Here this is in the denominator. When you write in numerator, this power will be minus 1. That's why it is also not a polynomial. Zeros. What is the zero of the polynomial? What value you put at the place of variable which gives the result 0. Polynomials whose degree is 0. No, that is called zeros not. What is called? Which is called the 0 degree polynomial. 0 degree and 0. 0 is the value of x. But the 0 degree polynomial is which polynomial? The polynomial whose degree is 0. For example, 3. 3 is a 0 degree polynomial. Why? 3 into 1 you can write. This will be 3x power 0. In exponent power we know any variable or any constant power is 0, it will become say 1. Here what will you get? It will become a 1. So 3 into 1 means 3x power 0, minus 15 y power 0, root 5 by 7, root 5 by 7 x power 0. So these are called the 0 degree polynomial, and it is also called constant polynomial, which is given in previous class. 0 polynomial, one is 0 degree polynomial, another is called 0 polynomial, simple 0 polynomial. The polynomial whose all the coefficients are 0. Here degree of the 0 polynomial is 0. Degree of the 0 polynomial is 0. What is given? Whose degree is 0? It is given. Degree of the 0 polynomial is 0. But degree of the 0 polynomial is not defined. 0 and 0 degree, it is a main difference. One I am telling 0 degree polynomial, one I am telling 0 polynomial. 0 polynomial means a polynomial whose all the coefficients are 0, its degree is not defined. It is very important. In examination MCQ you will get the question based on it. What is the degree of 0 polynomial? Not defined. And if the question is given what is the degree of 0 degree polynomial, then that will be a 0. Degree word not written, then not defined. For example, a polynomial I have written whose degree is 5, 4, 1, but constant coefficient is 0. 0 into this, your result will be 0. Here y power 100, no matter. Because it is multiplied by 0, your result will be 0. So if the coefficients, all the terms are 0, then it is called all terms are 0. All terms are 0, then it is called 0 polynomial. Coefficients, what is called coefficient? If a polynomial px is given, 3x square minus 5x plus root 2. So coefficient of x square will be 3. Coefficient of x will be minus 5. With sign you will write. Positive is not needed. The coefficient of constant term, that is root 2. If it is minus, then minus root 2. If it is plus, then plus root 2. These are the coefficients that we know in class 7th, 8th as well as 9th. Standard form of some polynomials. Not all. Some polynomials I have given. All the polynomials name is not linear quadratic, biquadratic also there, x power 4 you can write biquadratic. But other polynomials you can, this polynomial also quadratic, you can say the polynomial of degree 2 and special name quadratic. By cubic you can say the polynomial of degree 3 or cubic polynomial. Power 4 you can say the biquadratic. But power 5 you will write, you will say polynomial of degree 5. Degree is 6, you can say polynomial of degree 6. So here linear equation has a standard formula ax plus b, where a and b are real number but a never equal to 0. Why? Because when a will be 0, then it will be 0 and your equation will be changed as a constant polynomial. Quadratic has ax square plus bx plus c as a standard formula, standard form. Here a, b and c are constant, which is a real number, but a not equal to 0. When a will be 0, then this term will be 0 and you will say that it is a what? It is a linear. Like this, a cubic also have a standard form. What is the standard form of cubic? Ax power 3 plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a, b, c, d are real numbers. Real numbers means root, decimal, fraction, anything. But condition is there, a not never 0. Otherwise it may be, if a will be 0, then this term will be 0, then it may be quadratic, it may be cubic. This 0, these all will be 0. B, c, d may be 0, then only one term will be there. But it is cubic. Zeros, what is the meaning? This also you know in class 9. Zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial means the value of variable which gives the result 0. For example, px is equal to x plus 1. When value of x I am writing 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to not equal to 0. So 1 is not the zeros of px. So another form you write minus x. Suppose here p minus 1. X I am putting x is equal to minus 1. If x is, you are letting this, it is not necessary, any value. Minus 1 plus 1 gives you 0. So x is equal to minus 1 is the 0 of px. Any real number k is 0 for general form of a polynomial px only and only if pk will be 0. Means at the place of variable you put that number k. K is 1, 2, minus a real number. K is a real number. By putting this you are getting 0. It means it will be a zeros of that. What is the geometrical meaning? Geometrical meaning of zeros. It is depend on the graph that we know in the class 9th, graph and coordinate. So for linear equation I am taking one example, 2x plus 1. If it is a linear, then the graph must intersect the x-axis at one place. So I am drawing a graph by plotting it. Let y equal to px. Px means 2x plus 1. Put the x is equal to 0, 2 into 0 plus 1. I am forming a table like a graph. So we will find these values. Then draw the x and y axis. First coordinate is 0, 1, 0 and then 1. Second coordinate is 1, 3, 1. Then here 3, we will put the dot and circle. Last minus 1 gives the minus 1. So minus 1 here dot. Minus half gives 0. So minus half here. When you plot the